Hey, good evening everyone. Welcome to another video. It's a start of something new. We are at the end already, so I'll take that up front. Today we are removing the engine of my FB. The plan is to remove it, to overhaul it, to take it apart, and then at least then we know what's the status. So just as a background, since you guys might not know, I bought this car for rather cheap. I knew the compression was low. I was told that. The car itself was standing for around 10 years, plus or minus. It was with a friend of mine. He wanted to chop it up to make it a wide body one, but he saw that rust-wise it's too nice, so he didn't want to chop it up. He bought something even cheaper with rust, which he chopped up and then made it his own car. So that's the status where we are. And yeah, today I have very competent help in the form of Daniel. That's this person sitting over there. As I said, we are already at the end. I totally forgot to do anything up front. So what you're going to see is we are struggling taking the engine out. We do not have a workspace, so we are doing it in the parking lot. We put it on the little car jack. We remove it like that. Lots of a struggle. I have to constantly run back and forth to pick up some tools that we forgot to bring. Very interesting experience, I would say. And yeah, so come along with this journey, and I'll take it up front already. We are now done. As you can see, we have the bare block over here. All the stuff is basically lying over there. From the yeah, like all the parts from the collector to everything. And let me tell you, it's a pain in the ass. You'll see that in the time lapse. It's such a hassle to take these things out. I'm really looking forward to optimize the engine. But of course, to do that, we first need to figure out what's wrong. And we already saw that basically the apex seals are blown. They're really bad. Now, my hope with that is that the housings are in good shape, since it's the apex seals that blew. But let's see, we will know that. It will not come in this video. We'll do a separate video on that at some point during next week. We'll need to figure out when. But again, it's been a long day. It's now, what time is it? Like 9, 9:15. Daniel was here at like 10 o'clock, and we have ever since been working away. Yeah, so it was a fun day. I'm really looking forward to next time. And again, thanks a lot to Daniel, who helped a lot. You guys, I'm linking him down. He's mostly on Instagram. I'll put his name in there, and feel free to follow him. He's a really good guy. I've always been in touch with him to talk about rotary stuff, importing cars. Like, he's the go-to guy in Switzerland. If you need anything about rotaries, or actually anything about Mazdas, even if you're looking for an import car, hit him up. He will definitely be able to help you guys. All right, without further ado, have fun with, it's mostly time-lapse. Have fun, and I'm looking forward to see you guys next time again. All right, take care everyone. Bye-bye.